Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a common query: how to send money from your PayPal account to your own bank account in 2025. Whether you're saving up for something big or just managing your finances, this step-by-step guide will make the process quick and hassle-free. Let's dive right in. First, ensure you have the latest PayPal app installed on your phone or access the website on your computer. Once you're ready, log in with your email and password. Security is key, so make sure it's your account. Next, head to the Wallet section, usually found on the home screen or in the menu. Here, you'll see your available balance. That's the money you're working with. Now, look for the Transfer Money or Withdraw Funds button. It might be prominently displayed or under a drop-down menu. Click on it to proceed. If your bank account isn't linked yet, you'll need to add it. Simply enter your bank details like account number and routing info. Don't worry, PayPal keeps this secure. Once linked, select your bank account from the list. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Keep in mind that in 2025, PayPal might have updated fee structures or faster processing times, so check for any prompts about costs or estimated arrival. Double-check all the details on the confirmation page to avoid errors, then hit Confirm or Transfer Now. You'll get a notification once it's processed, and the funds should appear in your bank account within 1 to 3 business days. That's all there is to it. Sending money from PayPal to your own account is straightforward and secure. If you run into any issues, PayPal's Help Center is a great resource. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. See you in the next video.